Hello, my name is Khan. First of all, do subscribe and like my video. I'm going to tell you about Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi was a Persian mathematician, astronomer, geographer, and scholar who lived during the Abbasid Caliphate in the 9th century. He is known as the father of algebra due to his pioneering work on this subject. Al-Khwarizmi was born in the city of Khwarizm, which is now known as Khiva in Uzbekistan. He worked as a scholar in the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, which was a renowned center of learning during the Abbasid Caliphate. There, he wrote several important works on mathematics, astronomy, and geography. His most famous work is his book Kitab al-Jabr wa al-Muqabalah, the Book of Algebra and Balancing, which introduced the concepts of algebra and algorithms to the world. The word algorithm itself is derived from the Latinized version of his name, algoritmi. In addition to his work on algebra, al-Khwarizmi made important contributions to trigonometry, astronomy, and geography. He wrote several books on these subjects, including Zij al-Sindhind, the Sindhind planetary tables, and Kitab Surat al-Ard, the image of the earth. Al-Khwarizmi's work had a profound influence on the development of mathematics and science in the Islamic world and beyond. His ideas were translated into Latin and influenced the development of mathematics in Europe during the Middle Ages. His legacy can still be seen today in the way we use algebra and algorithms in modern computing.